Hey guys, this is According to Sue, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple bracelet. As you can see in this video, all you guys need is your favorite beads, and not only that, make sure you have in hand a flush cutter and also any type of wire. In this video, we're using stretch wire or stretch cord, okay? Always make sure to take into consideration if you guys are selling these beads for a customer, make sure you guys have the measurements of their wrist or the measurements of their width. Once you already put all the beads in the thread or in the wire, the next step is, or the last step, this is how simple it is to just make 3 knots or tie it 3 times. Once you have that knot in place, you're going to take the flush cutters and or cut that part. Then after, it's up to you if you want to put glue. I definitely would put glue on it, and like that will be more intact, but that's up to you. There's different ways to make a bracelet. This is the most simplest way. Well guys, this was it. This is how simple it is to make a bracelet, and I'm looking forward to make my next tutorial, and I hope you guys join. If you haven't subscribe or hit that like button. Okay guys, thank you so much for sticking around through the whole video. I hope this helps somebody out there. See you guys with my next tutorial. Bye bye.